If you've ever struggled to find the perfect balance between strength training and saving space at home, adjustable dumbbells are the answer. Whether you're building a compact home gym or just want a few versatile tools to get your workout in anywhere, these 15 adjustable dumbbells from Amazon offer function, style, and serious convenience. In this video, we'll break down the best adjustable dumbbells that not only save you space but also deliver powerful results. Links to all products are in the description, so feel free to check them out as we go along. Let's get started. 1. Kepi Adjustable Dumbbells Set. The Kepi Adjustable Dumbbells are designed with simplicity and speed in mind. With the twist and lock system, you can change weights in just 1 second. It offers 5 different weight options in a single dumbbell, ideal for progressive overload training at home. Whether you're a beginner or just want a quick setup for supersets, Kepi makes switching between workouts seamless. Plus, their compact tray keeps everything organized. Built with safety and stability in mind, the Kepi adjustable dumbbells feature a non-slip grip handle and a secure locking mechanism that ensures the plates stay firmly in place during intense workouts. The space-saving design makes them perfect for home gyms with limited room, eliminating the need for multiple separate weights. With their sleek, modern look and durable construction, these dumbbells offer both style and function, making them a smart investment for anyone committed to efficient, at-home strength training. 2. LifePro Adjustable Dumbbell Set. LifePro brings value, quality, and versatility in one compact design. These dumbbells go up to 25 or 50 pounds per dumbbell depending on the model, with a sleek adjustment system that feels premium. What stands out is the grip. It's ergonomic and sweat-resistant, giving you full control during intense reps. If you're short on space and want durability that lasts, LifePro is a solid pick. Another standout feature is the smooth weight transition, which allows you to adjust the load quickly without disrupting your workout flow. Ideal for circuits, drop sets, or quick switches between upper and lower body exercises. The sturdy base cradle keeps the dumbbells secure when not in use, while the compact profile helps reduce clutter in your home gym. Whether you're training for strength, endurance, or toning, LifePro's thoughtful design supports a wide range of fitness goals with ease. 3. PowerBlock Elite Adjustable Dumbbells. PowerBlock is one of the OGs in the adjustable dumbbell world. The Elite series lets you adjust from 5 to 50 pounds, expandable up to 90 pounds with additional kits. These dumbbells look a bit unconventional, but the blocky design allows for tight weight stacking and a stable feel. Perfect for lifters who want power and precision in one. What truly sets the PowerBlock Elite apart is its unique selector pin system, which functions like a weight stack at the gym, making adjustments fast, secure, and intuitive. The enclosed handle design adds wrist support and stability during heavy lifts, helping to reduce strain and improve control. Despite their compact size, they feel solid and well-balanced, making them ideal for serious strength training at home. For anyone looking to scale up their lifting without crowding their space, PowerBlock offers unmatched longevity and performance. 4. Mobile Adjustable Dumbbell. With Mobile, you get a dumbbell that looks and feels closest to traditional gym equipment. The adjustment dial is fast, smooth, and gives a satisfying click as you change weights. Ranging from 5 to 80 pounds, it's suitable for both light toning and heavy lifting. It's a premium option, no doubt, but if you're serious about strength training, this is a long-term investment worth making. 5. Yes for All Old School Adjustable Dumbbell Set. Old school doesn't mean outdated. The Yes for All set offers a classic spin-lock design that's super budget-friendly and incredibly durable. You can customize the weight plates exactly how you like. If you're into bodybuilding or want a solid feel like the iron plates at the gym, this set is for you. It's great for those who prefer manual switching over dials. 6. Body Sport Adjustable Dumbbells. Body Sport's 40-pound set gives you a clean and functional feel. The plates are rubber-coated to reduce noise and floor damage, while the handles offer a comfortable grip. It's perfect for beginners and intermediate users who want a straightforward weight set without overcomplicated features. 7. Kiss Gold Weights Dumbbell Set. This set is a space-saving beast, with multiple combinations of dumbbells, barbells, and kettlebell conversions. Kiss Gold offers insane versatility, ideal for full-body workouts without needing a room full of gear. It's especially great for people who like variety, chest one day, squats the next, kettlebell swings after that. 8. Northgear Adjustable Steel Dumbbells. These dumbbells are sleek, compact, and almost futuristic in design. The steel plates are thinner than traditional weights, saving even more space. They come with anti-slip handles and noise-dampening features, making them perfect for apartments. If you like clean aesthetics in your home gym, Northgear is your go-to. 9. Fired and Adjustable Dumbbell Set. The Fired and Set stands out with its all-in-one concept. It includes dumbbells, barbells, and kettlebell functions in one adjustable system. The safety nuts and slip-resistant grips give you peace of mind during heavy lifts. Whether you're doing curls, presses, or squats, this set adjusts to your training style. 10. Skoke Adjustable Dumbbells. Skoke offers both single and pair options, which is perfect if you're tight on budget or storage. These dumbbells feel premium in hand, with a smooth adjustment dial and sturdy base tray. It's a solid middle ground between quality and affordability, great for home gym enthusiasts at any level. 11. Nordic Track Adjustable Dumbbells. Backed by a major fitness brand, these Nordic Track dumbbells offer precision and premium build. With a sliding pin system, you can switch weights without fuss. They go up to 55 pounds per dumbbell, making them ideal for intermediate to advanced users. Plus, they come with a durable storage tray for added organization. 12. Vivatory Fitness Dumbbell Set. This set adds a splash of color and creativity to your routine. It includes rubber-coated weights with a sturdy bar and easy-to-swap plates. Perfect for at-home workouts, especially for beginners looking for stylish yet functional gear. Bonus points for quiet use on hard floors. 13. Power Block Elite Set. This is the Big League's Power Blocks Elite Set is for heavy lifters. It's expandable, durable, and designed to last a lifetime. The compact square design saves you floor space while giving you the freedom to go heavy without buying a dozen separate dumbbells. 14. Fired and Adjustable Dumbbells. Another solid choice from Fired and. This heavier variant is great for those who've outgrown standard sets. It comes with a secure locking mechanism, anti-roll design, and weight options that can scale with your progress. Whether you're lifting for size or strength, these dumbbells won't hold you back. 15. Adjustable Dumbbells Set of 2. Last but definitely not least, this final entry brings you a complete adjustable set for home training. It's simple, reliable, and does exactly what you expect. With a compact design and included weight plates, this is a budget-friendly entry point into adjustable dumbbells for anyone just starting out. And there you have it, 15 of the best adjustable dumbbells that combine space-saving design with serious performance. Whether you're just starting out or you're deep into your fitness routine, there's a set here that can match your goals, space, and budget. You'll find links to every dumbbell featured in the description below. Feel free to check them out and see which one feels right for you. If this video helped you out, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. It really supports what we do and helps us keep bringing you the best in fitness gear. We'd also love to hear from you. What type of workout gear or health tools would you like us to review next? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and let's shape this channel together.